Welcome back to Plant Lifestyles. Here we teach plants. Anything about plants we teach, spiritual and physical. Well, you need to subscribe to the channel because there are a lot to be taught on the channel, and then a lot of benefit to get from watching these videos on the channel. Yes, today I'm going to show you Momodica charantia, that is nyenya, or the bitter gourd, or the bitter melon. Its preparation, where it is ready for bath. When you are done with the preparation and then it is ready for bath, how it looks like, how you are going to use it, and how the quantity that is needed for your bath. Yes, for the quantity, it is unlimited. You can bath as much as you want, but how many days, how many times should I start bathing it? In fact, when you make, I have my decoction here. Let me show you. So this is my decoction in a big pan. This is the Momodica charantia. Yes, it has been there for 3 days and it is ready for bath. Yes, this morning is ready for bath. So as I told you, you take a cup or something to fetch. Yes, you take something to fetch some of the water and then put it in your bucket like that. And then once you put it in your bucket, you are going to bath with it, though it comes with a certain kind of scent, but that is the power in it. That is the power of Momodica charantia that make its spiritual power effective. Yes, so let's see. So you fetch. For mine, I can fetch about 4 cups into my bathing water, about 4 cups, and then I'm going to use to bath because the pan is very big. Yes, the last day I'm going to use this one to bath as a sponge. I'm not going to use soap. I'm not going to use any thing that is. I'm not going to use sponge. I'm going to use this as my sponge, and I'm not going to add any soap. I'm going to use this one to bath. And then I'm going to bath from head to toe. Yes, to prevent and remove any negative energy. You must perform this frequently. Yes, even the Bible says you should pray without ceasing. That doesn't mean that doing it once a year is okay. At least every 3 months, if you repeat it once, it's okay, and then you are good to go. Yes, I'm going to use it for 7 days. You see how it looks like. So this is the Momodica charantia. I'm going to speak about what it can do and give you some spiritual implications of making it stand for 3 days. Why I made it stand for 3 days, or I made it stood there for 3 days. It is spiritual reason. That is why I made it stood for 3 days before starting using it. So you can even add sea salt to it. Yes, to charge it, sea salt. You can add sea salt to charge it. Yes, so let me tell you a little bit about this Momodica charantia. Yes, its benefits in spirit and all those kind of things. Yes, the Momodica charantia, yes, it's a spiritual plant. In fact, it has a lot of benefit in my community. Some people, when they are seriously sick in the spirit or spiritual disease or spiritual illness, the old ladies or the old men will go to the bush and then get this Momodica charantia. Even when someone dies in a house or with an accident, and then there's a person in the house who died in an accident, where the spirit, or there's a kind of spirit using his or her image to that is threatening people in the house, this Momodica charantia is used to drive away those spirits. So this Momodica charantia is very powerful plant that has been used in ancients of days. Again, when there's a child, or when you give birth to a new baby, and then some people try to send out evil sickness, evil spirit to attack the child. So I found out that some people tie the Momodica charantia there. When they get the plant, it is like a rope, or it is a creeping plant. So like this, they will tie it on the hand of the child. to prevent any spiritual attack or spiritual disease. Once again, I always say that I have the P version of this channel. So if you want the P version of this channel, you just click on the name Plant Lifestyle below this video, and then it will send you to my broad channel, that is the English channel you are listening, and then you scroll down, see the futures channels below, and see other channels that belongs to me, and you can subscribe to them. The other channel that I speak P in teaching this is Vast TV. Yes, let's continue. Even when you go to Durban, you can see chiefs that they have this Omodika charantia or the nyenya on their neck. What have you asked yourself why they use it? Have you asked yourself? The reason why they use it is they are using it to prevent spiritual attack from other chiefs. Because when they go to Durban, different chiefs, different shrines with their priests and all those kind of things, they come and perform and show who is more powerful. Yes. So during this period, there are a lot of powers that are being shown on the Durban background. Therefore, when a chief, if you are not strong, someone, even when you are in your palanquin and then they are carrying you on their head, you can even fall down if you are not strong. Yes. Another chief or another chief priest can even send signal for you to fall down from the palanquin. So for them to avoid all those attacks that is coming from north, south, east, west, and top, down, and everywhere, they just put this Momodika charantia around their neck. Yes, they put it around their neck to neglect any negative energy that is coming into their life. So when you found this plant in your area, you found this plant at a corner, please protect it. Yes, you can also buy the seed and plant it in your house. Yes, me, I don't have the seed to sell for now. Yes, because currently it is not in its fruit season. It is now making a lot of leaves and all those kind of things. By the end of the year, then I'll get a lot of seed. But for now, I don't have seed in stock. As I'm talking now, as the video is being uploaded, you can check the date. Yes, so this one is very important. The chiefs use it to eliminate signals. Some people plant it in their house in a bowl of soil to prevent a lot of things. Yes, to prevent a lot of evil spirit attacking their house, evil energy, bad luck, bad intentions. So if you are there and if you are in life and then you see that life is not going on well with you, and then you want to improve your life, your work opportunity, when you go wherever you submit your CV, you are being rejected, all kinds of things, you start buffing this because you know that you qualify for the job. In fact, you know that you qualify for the job. You know that your CV, your certificate qualifies for the job 100%. But someone who even doesn't qualify for 50% is being employed. In fact, there are a lot of things that is going on in our life that is not physical. There are spiritual things that we need to attack them. People are suffering in life. People are struggling in life. So if you have time to watch Plant Lifestyles, subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and even practice what we teach, you get to know that there are things that are backed by spiritual that is affecting your life, that you need to work on it. This Momodika charantia, when I speak, I try to speak a lot on it. This video will be very long because its benefits is too much. There are too much benefits that comes with Momodika charantia. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment, and then anything you don't understand, just write in the comment section and I will answer you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.